I'm looking for a specific part. I'm looking for an intake cam upgrade, specifically for an E36, the M52 engine. Do you guys have a good one in stock, or can you order it quickly?
The benefit of this M54 cam is the longer duration and higher lift you get over the stock M52. The parts and labor for upgrading the camshaft is about €1,000. The front spline Vanos cam gear needs to be shortened.
The M54B30 Intake Cam swap in your E36 M52 will give you a significant performance boost. It's a great upgrade.
That sounds perfect, I'll take it.
So what was I doing? Well, I had this M54B30 Intake Cam lying around, and the well-known mod is for M52s to put the M54B30 Intake Cam on the intake side to give it a little bit more lift and duration. This one from the M54B30 has 240 degrees duration and I believe 9.5 millimeters of lift. This is a stock M52 intake cam which has 228 degrees duration and 9 millimeter lift. So this gives a nice boost. I mean, this is a well-known mod. And what did I do? Well, I took the death wheel and cut off about 5 millimeters and then make it smooth and straight, grinding away for like hours. And now sanity check is to see if my measurement is eyeballing crude method with the death wheel will work. I have a stock M52 and I have a Vanos unit, so we can check the distances. And I think I'm to a point where I don't want to take off anymore. It's fairly straight. So I'm just going to measure now and compare with this and this to that. So with the stock cam and the Vanos unit fully seated, I'm taking this distance here as a reference point and then lock it, and then I'm going to transfer it over here. So it engages smoothly, no issues with the teeth. And let's see where we're at. We're about on the same distance here. So for me that's now fine. Measures the same as with the stock cam. So meaning I took enough material off this focus of this gear. There you go. Crude method, but seems to work. The other thing I can do is check this distance. I need like 3 hands. Cannot. Like this distance to down, and then compare it. Stock cam, and we're about right there also. Focus. Anyway, you get the idea. So next plan is to drop this thing into my touring and give it, I don't know, 5 horsepower maybe, but I need to do the valve cover gasket anyhow. Everything needs to come off, so I might as well just swap this guy in. Quick update, because I didn't film anything, how I took the how I swapped the cams. The B30 cam is now inside here. It's timed to stock more or less with a little bit of advance, very small. Vanos unit is on. I cranked it, everything is fine. So now I gotta put the valve cover on and working on this. This was all crusty, of course, the old gasket, and now putting the new one, and then gonna fire it up, see if it's gonna blow up, right? What's the worst that's gonna happen? All right, everything is buttoned up. Now it's do or die. So let's start it up. Okay, here we go. I mean, what's the worst that's gonna happen, right? It's gonna blow up. Okay. Starts fine. Wow. Thank God. Okay. Runs okay. No leaks. You can see. I gotta hook up my computer and log, but just to see if it even runs. It revs, good. Yeah, I know it's cold. It's alright. Alright, I'm gonna hook up my notebook and see what the values are. Math, load, and the Vanos angle also. Car's driving fine. Values look good. So far, cannot see anything unusual. So, I'm gonna see if I can do a quick pull somewhere.